So the question I get asked most often is, okay, Bhavna, I like the idea, but what do I actually do first? What does one day look like? How do I go from zero to my first sale? This video answers that question completely. Step by step, no steps skipped, and no assumptions about what you already know. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do, and more importantly, you will know that you can do it. So, step one, you're going to decide what you are going to sell. So you have two options in this. Option A is you create your own digital product. Think about what you know. What do people actually ask you for advice on? What have you figured out that others are still struggling with? Package that knowledge into an ebook, a course, or a guide. This takes more time upfront. A few weeks to create something good, but you own it completely. Now, option B is you use a done-for-you system. This is what I did. The product already existed. The sales system is already built. You earn commission. In some cases, or in this case, 90% on every single sale. You focus only on getting it in front of people. Now, for most beginners, option B is the fastest way to your first sale. There's less to figure out, less to build, more time to market. Okay, so step two, you're going to set up how people pay you and receive the product. Now, if you are using a done-for-you system, this is already handled. You just plug in your details. Creating your own product, you will need a platform. Now, in South Africa, PayHip works extremely well and it accepts local and international payments. Gumroad is also another option for you. Both are free to start. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload your product. You're going to set your price and you are going to get a link. Now that link is what you share everywhere. When someone clicks it and pays, they get the product automatically. And the money, it comes to you. There's no manual sending, no invoices. It's all automatic. So step three, this is where most people get stuck. Create your first piece of content. You do not need a following. You do not need to be a professional. You need to press record and tell the truth about why you are doing this. Your first video, your first post, it does not have to be perfect. I did the first one from my bedroom. I used my phone, and later that day, I made my first sale. Now here's what you are going to say in this video. Who are you? Why you decided to start? What are you going to be sharing? And where can people find what it is you sell, which is your link? That is it, people. That is your first post. I know this works because I did exactly that. Post it. Do not delete it and do not record it 15 times. Imperfect and publish it. That's the best. Step 4. I need you to show up for 30 days without stopping. This is a step that separates the people who make money online from the people who say they've tried it and it did not work. Post every day, reply to every comment, DM everyone who shows interest, be genuinely helpful. Talk about the things you sell without being pushy. And do not check your follower count, obviously. Check your engagement. Are people responding? Are people asking questions? That is the data that matters for the first 30 days. Your sales will come, but first you need to build enough trust that someone feels safe clicking on your link. So step 5, close your first sale in the DMs. Or believe me, it's even on WhatsApp. You do not wait for someone to find your link and buy without any conversation. In the early days, your most sales came from your DMs, the personal conversations that you had. When someone comments, this looks interesting, or how does this work? DM them. Literally not with a script, but with a real message. Like, hey Sharon, I saw your comment. Do you want me to explain exactly what this is? No pressure at all. Happy to answer any questions. Now that conversation is where your first sale happens. Once you make that first sale, something automatically clicks. You know it works. And everything after that becomes easier. The system I personally use and the one that I recommend if you want to skip straight to step 2 without building anything from scratch is in the description below. It includes everything, the product, the training, the selling system, You just literally add your story and your consistency. Link is below, and my comments are always open. You now have the 5 steps. You know what to do. The only question is, are you going to start? Drop a comment below and tell me which step feels most scary to you. Because whatever you say, I will tell you exactly how to get through it. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos, and I will see you in the next one. So if you want to know 5 online businesses that actually work right here in South Africa, I've dropped my new video. Please go have a look at it.